the deal between us? Feronia is our chance to live. Here comes the prey. Crack. Buzz, buzz, zna. Buzz. Buzz, buzz, it's EMP. We are under attack. Can it be the people from the Golden Organization? That's weird. They never pursued us relentlessly in the past. Everyone. Get off and get ready for battle. Bang. ISI 300M. Koom boom. It's poisonous gas. Oh no. I feel so dizzy, what a vicious asshole. Kneel. Fall. Nina, hang in there. Bang. The gunfire came that way. Don't stay here. Let's go kill him. Bam. Bam. I'll kill you. Patter patter. Take out. Bang. 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 Humph. Being shot by a shotgun in such close distance, you will die for sure. Boom. How can that be? That they can oppress snipers in close combat. Bang. Unfortunately, you killed Dorothy, LV-25. Experience points plus 7,500. I am not an ordinary sniper. Most people were killed by a single bullet from a rifle. The raider must be alone and he is a sniper. Another killer who took the mission. Beep. The killer is here again. We've lost more than 20 people, please send someone to take care of him. Ignorant young man. You are the prey now. Berwu professional killer or San professional killer. Bergio professional killer, how is it? The enemy is a sniper and well prepared. The killer is heading southeast. There are 3 forces in that direction. The closest one is Farian Group's base. There are fragments of mines on the scene. The enemy knows about our styles of doing things and set a trap in advance. The enemy used some kind of new bombs and the shells of them are made of materials from the Farian Group. We can't afford to offend the Farian Group. We can't take any action in their places. The killer's target is you, so you have to be the bait. You just go out as usual and we will ambush. Once he makes a move, we will kill him. Do as he said. Okay. The base of Farian Group. So the Rose Army has backers. No wonder so many killers were killed. The armed forces in Somel Desert all have financial backers and theirs is a political consortium that runs a training ground for killers in secret. Your hirer is backed by the Chadros family. So many forces are looking for the Fern, what is it? I don't know. Humph, I doubt it, there must be important secrets behind Feronia. Maybe the hidden rewards of this mission are linked to them. Now that they have backers, they will send reinforcements. What should I do then? I have to shoot and can't drive. Come and be my driver. It's your mission, not mine. Why should I help you? We rarely have a trip. How can you just stay at the base? You should go out to enjoy the beautiful sceneries. Enjoy the sceneries. Don't be tricked by the surface. You may see a mirage where there may be beautiful sceneries. Though the desert is vast, as long as you are sincere enough, Mother Nature will respond. We don't know each other well, do we? I'm giving you a chance to be my friend. If you want me to join you, according to the rules, I have to be paid. It's okay. 5% of the total reward. What do you say? It's too little. The driver is the prime target of the enemies. I want 20%. Why don't you go rob? Fine. Deal. I am doing it now. Target spotted in Region C. He is indeed coming here. Playing the same trick again. Humph. What a stupid man. Bait squad, go. Okay. It's the enemy's vehicle. Southwest, catch up. Bang. There is only one vehicle. Follow it. Wanna surround me? Won't give you the chance. Bang. We are ambushed. Retreat to the rendezvous. Step. Swoosh. There are enemies ahead. Die. Coom. Bang. Sun bang. Buzz. Coom. It was close. Push. Still wanna run? You've got nowhere to escape. *T, enemies are everywhere. There is only one vehicle in the south. It's the least threatening. The encirclement avoids my traps and I can break through here. If the gunfire triggers the mines, I will be killed. Rumble. What is it? We have to run now. I have to take a gamble. Drive to the south. You'd better not mess it up. Swoosh. You can't run. Bang. Buzz. It's a flash grenade. My eyes ache. Son of a b *tch. Boom. Go to hell. Rumble. Bang. Catch up. Swoosh. Song. Bang. 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 Nitrogen speeding. Click. Vroom. Swoosh. Where we managed to run away? You are dead meat. You have nowhere to go. Click. Buzz. Sizzle. Halt sizzle. Bang. What happened? Our cars just stalled. Hiss, the communicator is disabled, too. It must be EMP's doing. Calm down. They only have one car. Get the weapons ready. The electronic components in Dorothy's car were destroyed. Is this a trap? Run. We are in trouble. Bang. Oh no. Boom. Swish. Boom. Your poisonous and explosive bombs dealt 189 poison damage to Ursan. Your poisonous and explosive bombs have dealt 235 poison damage to Urgio. Your poisonous and explosive bombs have dealt 257 poison damage to. Surprise. I bet they didn't see that coming. It's been a while since I saw such a beautiful view. Then enjoy it. This is a nice harvest. Points plus 5,600. Mercenaries points plus 5,600. You've killed Ursan, LV 31. Experience points plus 11,000. You've killed Urwu, LV 30. Experience points plus 10,000. You've killed Urgio, LV 29. Experience points plus 9,800. TSK. What's with those names? Wait. The kill notice seems to miss one of the enemies that appeared in the damage notice. Turn. Rustle. Swoosh whoosh. Whoosh. Grab. Swish. Ha. Pow. Pow. You've killed Guehu, LV 29. Experience points plus 9,400. Humph. Got you, fugitive. What's your next move? Go to Rose Army base and get them. They've suffered a defeat. Their enemy will seize this chance and attack them. All I need to do is to harvest after they're done fighting each other. Did you plan all this? Of course not. They thought I'd only set up one trap, but I happen to like being well prepared. Ha ha ha. What an excellent battle. My time here was worth it. I should return now. Good luck. If you need anything else, Farian Group is at your service. Oh. The battle came so soon. Pow. Boom. Go. Charge. Throw them out of the Somal Desert. No way. You scums of Golden Organization. Pow. Bang. Boom bang. Bang. Bang bang. Boomy. We don't have enough people to work on the defense, the enemies will break in soon. Now is the Rose Army's weakest time. Other forces will see us as their target. I have to let other members buy me some time. Take 5 people with you, and we'll retreat through the secret path. We're giving up on this base. No notice of mission accomplished. The core members should have run away. Buzz. Found them. We'll reach the neutral zone soon. Then we just have to, boom. Did the enemy catch up with us so fast? Bang, it's the thorns. Thump. Damn it. That killer snatched the thorns. Boom. Boom. Cough asterisk run. We can't withstand the thorns' firepower. Boom. 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 Oh. They're fighting. Boom. Don't stick your nose to where it doesn't belong. Or you'll be shot by accident. Thunder boom. I've told you many times. We only need to focus on finding Feronia. TSK. What great escapees. Pow. 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 Boom. Whoosh. 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 What? What's this? Ding. You found the hidden area, Ferroni 4-081 Exploration Point plus 1000. The Hidden Mission Bounty Hunter, Rose Army, accomplished. Seriously? What a surprise. Boom. The priority is the Rose Army bounty. Since you don't have the balls to confront me, damn it. They're running away. The thorns are too slow. Click. Buzz sizzle. Sizzle. He's crazy. He's destroying the thorns just to stop us. Come on. It's time to put an end to this. Tread. You're asking for this. Tread. Pow. Crush. Whoosh. Force field. This is tricky, her force field can block bullets easily. Bullets can't work on her. Click. Bang. Clang. Cough. It's poisonous gas. What the hell is this bullet? Her Esper ability can't control gas yet. You've hit Luo Qing. Haim bullet dealt 12 damage to Luo Qing. Damage reduction has been calculated. Your Haim bullet dealt 12 poisonous damage to Luo Qing. Damage reduction has been calculated. I can stall her to death. Clang. Ugh. I must get closer to him. Bang. Oh no. Force field, Dashi. Bang. Screech. Since you're asking for this. Step. I'm gonna kill you. Swoosh. A force field, strike. I can only confront her. Buzz. You're weak at melee combat. Boom. It's over. No one can survive a direct shot of my force field. Huh? What did you say? Did I hear it wrong? Oh no. Clang. Crack. Ladder. Cough asterisk cough. He. Pant pant. He's a tough one. I'm coming, Luo Qing. Whoosh. A mechanical pugilist. A mechanic class that uses melee mechanicals as the core combat capability and studies weapons to gain special abilities. Surround him. Swish swish. Buzz. Force field throw. Crack. Gasp. Sizzle. Whoosh. It's dangerous to fight her. Step. I can't confront her. You have nowhere to run. Bang. Glance. Swoosh. Huh. Why didn't he attack me when he had the chance? It's because of Su Li. I see. Turn. Humph. Su Li. Hamper him. He dreads you. Go seize his focus. I'll find a chance to kill him. Got it. Dodge. Take this. Bang. The mechanical pugilist is restraining me. I can't take these two down without paying. Magnetically controlled retractable armor full defense. Step. You first. Why is he dashing toward me? This is unexpected. Whoosh swoosh. Sizzle. You've been hit by Su Li, LV-29. Su Li dealt 79 damage to you. Damage reduction has been calculated. Magnetically controlled armor, durability-100, 206/349. What's that? Sizzle. Bang asterisk cough. Let go of her. Bang. Cough asterisk. Stab. You've killed Su Li, LV-29. Experience points plus 11,906. Su Li. Don't worry. I'll send you to be with her now. Whir. I'll kill you. Swish. Whoosh, boom. Go to hell. Swish. Bang. Boom, she's fighting me with all her strength. How, let's see if you kill me here, or you exhaust to death first. Bang. Bang. Bang bang. Don't you dare run. Oh no. I don't have enough energy to gather the force field. Here's my chance. Bang. Bang. Sorry, Su Li, I couldn't complete the revenge. Bang. Splash. Splash. You've killed Luo Qing, LV-30. Experience points plus 12,000. Pant finally. The gloves are nice. I'll take them. You've obtained electric heat cutter. Looks like the wanderers have gone down already. The rock here was manually dug, and I can smell rust in the wind. A lab. Two roads. Patter. Growl, it's the beast pressure. It didn't come after us. Pant. Such an evil place can't be Feronia. What if this is the treasure of desert that everyone is looking for? Impossible. The treasure of the desert is magic. It can't be that monster. Let's go, young man. Feronia isn't here. The unknown is worse than monsters. Growl. Ha. There are monsters under the floor as well. Note: July 13, the doctor conducted the 67th improvement on Feronia serum. He injected it into a white mouse, and the result is very gratifying. The serum effect finally met our expectations. If there are no abnormal reactions, we can start experimenting it on humans soon. July 17, the white mouse died of organ failure, and the doctor seemed so frustrated that he locked himself in his room. I heard him smashing things when I passed by his room. July 20, the doctor insisted on conducting human subject research, and the management approved his application. This is crazy. Did he forget what happened to number 000 man subject? July 26, the base has issued a new regulation. All researchers must submit all their electronic devices and are not allowed to connect to the outer network. Has the war outside deteriorated this much? August 5, today is the 7th day after number 008 human subject was injected with Feronia serum. The subject is doing well and shows no special changes. But the doctor seems to be disappointed. Trapped here now. I can see here. Everyone looks despairing. G14th, we're going to evacuate to base number 03 tomorrow. The time is limited. We've made a copy of all the data and destroyed the original copy. Those guards are so rude. I heard they are going to activate the destructive mechanism here. The doctor has taken several serums with him and destroyed the rest. Damn it. The doctor took away the serum. Looks like I'll go back empty-handed. See. Good. Lucky me. Are they really the serum? You've obtained Feronia serum incomplete X3 Feronia serum incomplete, 4 kinds of body-enhancing bio potion. It seems to need some adjustment to reach its perfect state. There's a chance to be mutated after using it. P.S. These may be the last 3 tubes of Feronia serum. Gliding shots. Bang. Stab. You've dealt 51 damage to subject number 002. You've entered combat mode. Based on your current level, you can see the following information. Its level is higher than mine, but it's in bad shape now. I can fight it. Subject number 002, class aberration, sample of a low creature transformation. Health 1:100. Attribute power 6/5, Dex 20, Int mystery, Action luck 1, Energy 0, Energy rank 1 8.547.800, Rotting state, Rotted defense 25, Health 30, Serious sensory energy 5. Toughness 101, Ability, Walk in silence LV 12, Strike LV 8, Dash LV 5. Step. Thump. It hurts so badly. Oof. Step, here comes my chance. Whoosh. Swoosh. Growl. Swoosh. Growl. It can move after its head was cut open. Sizzle, then let's see if you can take this. Swoosh. Boom. Raise. Still alive. Click. Bang. Bang. Bang bang bang. Pant pant. You've killed subject number 0021LV421 experience points plus 32,000. You killed a target that's 10 levels higher than you. You've received 280% of the experience points. 89,600 in total. Your damage output rate, 23.1%. You've obtained extra 21235, 23.1%, experience points. That was close. Crack. Russell, oh no. The monsters under the floor are coming out. I must leave. A. How's the situation inside? There are footprints and blood on the ground. Someone's been here and fought. Russell, no sign of other people. Russell, I wonder whoever came inside. Russell. Monsters. Fire. Pow. Clang clang. Guns can't kill them. Run. Halt. Help. Zap. Swoosh. Ah. Hey. What's going on? Russell. Hurry up. Whoever finds the treasure will be heavily rewarded. What are those? Russell, desert corpse bugs. They're afraid of fire. Burn them all. Got it. Whoosh whoosh. Russell. They are afraid. Keep going. Boom. There's a room ahead. Drip. Growl. What kind of monster is this? Boom. Pow, fire. Bang bang bang. Sum. Boom, go to hell. Keep going. There's a fishy stench. Check this room thoroughly. I found a research log. What we're looking for is here. Rumble. Growl. Rumble. Don't confront them. Break their limbs to restrain their movement. H. Swoosh. Watch out. Bang. Damn it. Crack. Go to hell. Boom. On ho. Swoosh. Bang. Pant pant. Pant. Should we report to the boss first? Only the two of us survive. Keep searching. Now only finding the target item can mend our loss this time. There's a small room. Let's go. Someone's been here. A dead monster. Thump. Damn it. That person took the potions from the suitcase. Is that so? We were beat, we'll look into it. Please give us another chance. No need. I think I know who it was. We'll handle it. You're no match for him. Talia Hotel. What? It only took you 6 days to complete the mission despite the 15-day allocated time. Yeah. Thanks to your advice, I chose an easy mission. Well, no, thanks to your extraordinary strength. You really impressed me. Mission accomplished. Experience points plus 150,000. Society's favorability increased by 550 points. Currently neutral, 550/1000. Hidden mission, Find Feronia project, accomplished. You have received, mid-grade gene blending potion, *1. There is a bonus reward. Feronia serum is a biochemical potion that increases attributes, but it runs the risk of reducing attributes and even triggering malignant mutations. Should I use the potion to enhance my attributes? Since the system gave me the gene blending potion, I guess it means that I should have a try. The opportunity is hard to come by, I'll take it. It's so comfortable. It's like a bite of ice cream in the hot summer. The next step is to inject Feronia serum. Prick. Arg. It hurts. Judgment succeeded. Current progress 73%. Judgment succeeded. Arg merging succeeded. Compatibility, excellent, STR +3, End +5. You have acquired new talent, Basic Strengthened Life. Basic Strengthened Life, increase additional End. The ratio of transformed health, 1:15. Molding talent, it's extremely rare. I made the right choice. Now I have 66 End, which equals immediate additional 990 health, almost doubling my health. Luckily, the bad thing didn't happen. I'm still as handsome as ever. Armor of the future, I can simply crush the enemies with ease. Hello. It's me. Mr. Black, an emissary from the Chadrose family would like to meet you. Oh. It's okay. My name is Alphonsus. It was my family that put out the bounty for the Rose Army. You're obviously not looking for me because of the bounty, are you? Indeed, then I'll get to the point. Did you visit an abandoned base in the Somal Desert? The bounty for the Rose Army has been posted for nearly 3 years, but a huge number of killers returned in defeat. It really surprised me that you could complete it on your own. I'm flattered. Our connection is only between the employer and the killer. I'd have nothing to do with you after the mission was completed. I did go to the abandoned base. Pull out. Name your price. There was no hesitation at all. If you want it, pay for it. $1 million. You don't seem to have any sincerity. This tube of serum has been stored for decades. We don't know if it still has any effect, so its value is greatly reduced. Without the gene blending potion, I'd better not risk using the serum anymore. It would be better to sell it. Pass, I take the price. Huh. You do. Let's be friends. The money will be credited to your account soon. You'll also gain the friendship of the Chadrose family and mine. What is Feronia? It set up several bases to conduct research in different technological directions, and the serum you got was one of the research results. It was a research project carried by the ancient Somal Desert Kingdom during the War of the Old Era. So that's it. I thought there really are magical relics, haha. How could there be magic in the world? Here's my number. Call me if you need any help. I'd like to upgrade my authorization in the Blood Pact Society. Is there any suitable mission? Well, you asked the question at the right time. Check this out. Internal call-up order, no access without permission, mission location, east of Star Dragon, 20 miles north of White Gull City, River Valley Manor. Mission details. Guard River Valley Manor, protect, information hidden. But I can work behind the scenes for you, and when the mission is completed, you can be upgraded to the dark level. You can't participate in this mission with your current rank. With nearly 300 people involved, the difficulty of the mission is certainly not low. Close scrimmage should still be avoided. I need a piece of equipment that can increase my speed of movement. It just so happens that I'm one blueprint away from class advancement. Would you like to merge Basic Electromagnetism Theory LV1, Basic Energy Theory LV3, Basic Mechanical Engineering LV4? Basic Bionics LV2. The merge will cost 20,000 experience points. Not this. Not this either. Merging succeeded. You've developed electromagnetic levitation power boots. Experience points plus 12,306. Class advancement succeeded. You've acquired the new class, Mechanic. Energy plus 50, Dex plus 1, End plus 1, Int plus 4, Free Attribute point plus 3, Potential point plus 1. You've acquired, Fine Maintenance. You've acquired, Intermediate Enhancing Modification. Level up. Your level has upgraded. 34.78%. Add the attribute points to Int, and the experience points can be used to enhance my abilities. Continuous gliding shots is upgraded. 78%. Buzz. The equipment must also be improved. Buzz. Phew. It's finally done. Second generation Ranger Combat Type Robot. Basic Attributes, Armor 2200, Defense 37, Power Level 168, Maximum Movement Speed 83 km per hour, Energy 640. Electromagnetic Levitation Power Boots. The soles of the electromagnetic field can reduce friction, which allows the wearer to glide on various terrains at high speed. Ha! How about I call them skate shoes? Antonio. Get me an armed helicopter. I'm going to White Gull City. I didn't expect to return to Star Dragon so soon. White Gull City, Star Dragon. Private property. Boom. There are snipers here. That was a warning shot. Oh, right. The certificate to identify teammates. No more shooting. I should be able to get in. Hey, new guy. Go over there, a man called Chen Li will pick you up. This way. What type of killer are you? I'm a sniper. Great. We're short of long-range attackers. I'm not quite sure of the mission details yet. Who is our protection target? How long do we have to defend here? We don't know either. Anyway, the enemy would launch attacks from time to time. The protection target has been hiding in the villa and never shown up. I don't know if there's anyone there or not. But if I can't hold it, I'll run away. Oh, yeah, what level of killer are you? Dark or Ghost? I'm Mr. Black, Scorpion level. What? How did you get the call-up order? You're not qualified, aren't you? I'm already here. Does it matter what level I am? Fine. As long as you can hit the enemy with your gun. You see the 3 forts. You go to the middle one. The Wasp brothers will set you up. New here. Your code name, level and ability. Mr. Black, Scorpion level, Sniper. Scorpion level. Are you here to die? Go to the left fort and be a deputy sniper. You're in charge of killing the leaks. Newcomer, Scorpion level, Sniper. Scorpion level. Then you take the left, and I'll take the right. Here the view is the narrowest and the difficulty is minimal. They don't trust my ability. You've triggered a chain mission, call up order, protection, mission description. First, do not inquire about the identity of the protection target. Second, do not leave your post. Third, do not let the enemy into the manor. Fourth, try to show you are useful. Tip, this is a chain mission, please follow the instructions. The first round of mission, repel the first wave of enemies. Rewards, 20,000 experience points. A chain mission? It's quite interesting. Mission failure judgment conditions. 1. Enter the villa area without authorization. 2. Leave the manor for more than 120 minutes. I can finish the first round of mission first to see what the follow-up rewards are. If things don't go right, I'm out. Boom. Enemy attack. Ready to fight. Hold up. Boom. 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 Snipers in the forts. Finish them off. Boom. Fire suppression. Boom. Ugh. Raid failed. The opposing snipers are too accurate. Retreat. Wanna run? No way. Boom. Good job. The experience points are a little low, but the second round has a quite big increase. The first round of mission accomplished, experience points plus 20,000. Mission requirements changed. Requirements for the second round, guard the River Valley Manor for 3 days. Reward, 80,000 experience points. The first round rewards 20,000 experience points, and the second round is 80,000. According to this growth rate, maybe the third round would be 320,000. Anyway, I have nothing to do now. Why don't I go to the Department of Logistics to see if I get some experience? Department of Logistics, River Valley Manor. Wong 11, help me fix the gun. Leave it there. I'll fix it when I wake up. Well, if you're in a hurry to use it, I can fix it for you. I'll be quick. Really? Just put it there. This young man won't know how to fix it. Just let me have a try. He's so smooth, it looks like he really knows his stuff. Crack. You've completed a mechanical repair. Experience points plus 2,333. Got it. Wow. So fast. Are you a mechanic too? Great. There are so many things to fix. We're terribly busy. Let me help you. Crack. Crack. Whir. You fixed half of the guns in just a moment. I seem to learn something when watching him fix the guns. Me too. The enemy is coming. Ready to fight. Let me watch it a little longer, I'll be right over. Tooth. What took you so long? You take the left. Loaded. Don't worry. Boom. Boom. Fire suppression. Keep going. Boom. Thud. Good job, snipers. Boom. Boom. This wave of offense has become stronger. Boom boom, but such a small number of enemies is not a big deal to me. Boom. Retreat. The second round of mission accomplished, experience points plus 80,000. Requirements changed. The third round of mission, hold off the next wave of attack. Rewards, 150,000 experience points. It seems that the next wave of enemies will be very hard to repel. Judging by the casualties of these mercenaries, they won't be able to hold back the enemy in all probability. This damn weather is so good for a raid. If I were the enemy, I'd come tonight. Don't talk nonsense. F***CK. Is the enemy really coming? Splash. Fire. Get down. Boom. Boom. Team 1, report casualties. Were holy shit. Armed helicopters. Snipers. Shoot it down. Don't F***King rush. Let's shoot down the helicopters. The helicopter's pilot windows are high-tenacity bulletproof glasses. It would take them at least 7 or 8 shots with normal ammunition to penetrate them. Thud. The snipers are hiding in these houses. Blow them up. Boom. Boom. Our position is exposed. Are you F***king running away? Rattle. Boom. Rumble. The guys out there can't take it anymore. It seems that I have to get out now. I'm counting on you, my old friend. Huh. Boom. Interesting, it looks like I'm not needed outside. There are still a few tough enemies left. Check the ruins carefully. Boom. 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 The helicopter's firepower is too fierce. We're screwed this time. Pull yourself together. Go find a sniper position and keep attacking. Swish, I'll solve the annoying helicopters. Were. Boom. Damn, we're sitting ducks for these helicopters. F***CK. The enemy has broken through the second line. Swish. Boom. Loaded. The first one. Boom. Here's a chance. Fire. Good job, sniper. Boom. Boom. The second one. Boom. I didn't expect to learn a new skill at a time like this. It requires 45,762 experience points to upgrade moving sniper to level. Would you like to level up? Yes, it's just in time. I must level it up. Boom. The last one. Boom. Boom. Boom, got it. It's time to fight back. Fire. Finish them off at one fling. Thud. Boom. Thud, damn it. Retreat. That was close, the defense line was almost broken, thanks to that sniper. How come he's only at the Scorpion level? Probably he just joined the organization not long ago, so he hasn't leveled up yet. With his performance this time, he'll definitely rise to the Ghost level. Puff. Put. The third round of mission accomplished. Experience points plus 150,000 mission requirements changed the fourth round of mission. Hold off the fifth wave of attack. Another defensive mission? Is there no other type of mission? Rewards, 4,000 experience points for each wave of attacks repelled. Even if the mission fails, you will still get the accumulated experience points. Bonus reward. 100,000 experience points, 78%. Bonus reward. It looks like things aren't that simple. Bro, the protection target has shown up. Get over here. Thank you all for your protection these days. I'd like to talk to those of you whose names I'll read next. Bennett Anderson. Why is he here? This guy is the core mission of the main storyline, and he's one of the main characters of the planet. Not only that, but he's also a hidden general skill tutor. Huh. He called my name. Don't forget us if anything good happens to you. The last one, Mr. Black. Great. Orvano calling. Hello. Why are you calling me now? Aren't you on the call-up mission? I need to exchange some weapons with you, the Silver Watcher sleeve sword and the Lockhawk sniper rifle. Alright, I'll get someone to collect them for you. You'll get them in about 2 days. Well, thank you. Since I can get in touch with the main character of the planet so early, I have to take this opportunity. Everybody, please have a seat. My name is Wang Yuan, and I need you to protect me for a while longer. This villa will be open to you. You can rest here. All of you are the backbone of the defense of the manor. Once the mission is completed, I'll pay you extra rewards privately. Then we'll go rest. Be my guests. Mr. Black, do you have anything else to say? I'd like to speak to him alone. Have we met before? Bennett Anderson. Later, you broke away from Ordina. Decades ago, the bounty against you was already as high as $15 million. A legend of the old era, an ace agent. The former leader of the most elite squad in Ordina, number Demon Blue. Then you disappeared for 2 years. After you appeared, you began to help the civilians affected by the war, and created a huge force, which was the predecessor of Darknet. Are you a fan of mine? What? I need to get something out of him, so I can't offend him, ahem. Yes. I've heard about you, and I've always wanted to meet you. Forget about the past. What do you want from me? You're not here to ask for an autograph, are you? Well, not really, this man is definitely showing off. I heard that you're one of the strongest human beings on this planet. Oh. So you're here to challenge me? No. I want to learn some combat abilities from you. Interesting. You're the first one who wants to learn from me. But you're a sniper, so you can't learn my combat abilities. Well, I'll leave you alone then. There it is again. As long as the prerequisites are not met, my request will be refused. The prerequisite for learning abilities is to give some special gifts. Luckily, I was prepared. Newcomers, follow me. How is it going? Gold Fox, mercenary. Enemy attacks are becoming more frequent, but our positions are holding strong. The southeast and northeast defenses will be fine with Mr. Black in charge. Mr. Black. Who is he? Mr. Black is a scorpion killer, and his sniper skill is quite excellent. Only a scorpion killer? Wouldn't it be too hasty to let a scorpion killer take charge? Humph, strength is everything here. Don't be too arrogant, young. Why is he so angry at my question? That Mr. Black is so prestigious. Back Hill, River Valley Manor. There are enemy armored vehicles coming from over there. Thud. It was so fast. This is the strongest sniper I've ever met. Thud. Boom, great. The last plane is shot down. Mr. Black is awesome. It's the third wave of attacks, and they're getting stronger. I can handle it, but what are the requirements for the hidden reward of the 100,000 experience points?